It's 2024, and some creators are thinking of starting a new channel, and some are continuing with their old channel. Today, I have brought you 5 best algorithm tricks, which will give you more views than usual. So without wasting our precious time, let's jump into today's topic. After uploading the video, initially the video needs boost, which is given by your subscribers. But for beginners, there will be very few subscribers, and the required boost at the start will not be fulfilled, and thus the video ends with few views, although having great content. So for the initial boost, I will give 2 strategies. First one is to follow trending topics. We have been discussing this niche in recent videos. Trending topics gets you the initial subscribers and also views, but for getting good results in this niche, you might be having knowledge about doing SEO properly. If you don't know how to do SEO, then you can check my recent videos. So, SEO is the key factor which works in this kind of niche. As soon as you upload the video with proper SEO, your video automatically ranks in the search page. And as the topic will be trending, number of searches for that topic will be more. And as the viewers search that particular topic, your video will be showing up in the search page and you get your initial boost here. And later, the final views depends on your content. If the content is good, then the video ends up getting more views. So this is one strategy for beginners to get their initial boost. And for creators who all are having some decent subscribers, you can follow the second strategy. So let's assume that you have around 10,000 subscribers, and every time some 400 to 500 subscribers watch your videos regularly. What about remaining subscribers? Are they all inactive? Are they not interested in your videos? The actual reason is that new videos which you are uploading are not able to reach them properly. In this case, at most you can share your videos in the community tab and ask viewers to watch your recent videos. But I have applied one simple strategy on my first channel, and it really worked. And now I am getting more views initially. And also my new videos are reaching my subscribers. You need to change your channel trailer each and every time. The channel trailer is one of the best features of YouTube, but unfortunately it is underrated. But our Mr. Beast uses this feature completely. Every time you upload your videos, keep the recent video as your channel trailer. Mr. Beast also does this to get an initial boost from the subscribers. The channel trailer shows a particular video as a big impression. When you keep your recent videos as a channel trailer, your recent videos are highlighted, and the views from channel pages increases. And here you get the initial boost from subscribers, and also non-subscribers who visit your channel for the first time will be able to see your recent best video. Trust me, this strategy has really worked for me. It gives you an initial boost and also increases views from channel pages. Your third strategy is the likes and comments. Have you ever thought of this feature? What's the use of these 2 features? Creators are not paid for this, but instead they will give major data to the algorithm. Likes and comments gives motivation to creators, and they will also help you in getting more views. Once Mr. Beast said that your video performance also depends on the number of likes and comments. Yes, it's true. You only concentrate on making thumbnail and bring long audience retention, but have you ever bothered about likes and comments? This is where you fail. Big creators concentrate on this part. If you have observed that big creators give the likes target to their videos, which is one of the strategies to get engagement. The YouTube algorithm not only counts the audience retention, it also counts the number of viewers engaged in that video, and the engagement is done through likes and comments. If a video gets more likes and comments, then the algorithm understands that the video is engaging and has something which gives value to viewers, so it recommends further. And for big creators, the number of likes and comments will also help in bringing their videos on the trending section. So try engaging the audience with your videos. The fourth strategy is to make as many long videos as possible. Have you ever observed that the videos which are above 5 minutes gets better views and also a better impression? You can check big YouTuber channels. The most popular videos will be more than 5 minutes. Long videos which are more than 5 minutes bring more audience retention and more watch time. The algorithm work is simple in this case. YouTube wants viewers to stay connected to their platform as long as possible. So the algorithm will boost the videos which have high retention. So try making more than 5 minutes videos. It also helps you in bringing more watch time, and the video will also get boosted up by the algorithm. And the last strategy is to make videos about big YouTubers. Initially, when you start your new channel, you will not have subscribers to watch your videos. So in that case, you can go for this kind of video. Talking about big YouTubers can get you initial subscribers because they will be already famous. And there are a lot of advantages in this kind of video. At the start of your channel, you need to bring views and subscribers to your channel, and if you speak about YouTubers who have already some crazy following, then definitely that viewers will also watch your videos. So you can try this strategy also. Personally, I have also done this. You can check my first 3 videos of this channel. These are motivation videos of famous people. And also, I have been getting some decent views for these videos. So try this and tell me the results in the comment section. So these are the 5 strategies which you can implement on your channel. And if you are loving my content, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.